Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox where you want to insert emoji, because context matters for whether emoji will display. Once the game or chat is open, bring up your laptop emoji input. On Windows, press Win plus or Win plus, and on Mac OS, use Control-Command-Space. You do this now so the characters are ready to paste or type directly. Make sure your keyboard language matches the emoji panel and that the text cursor is active in the chat or field before moving to the next step. Now you choose the emoji and insert it where you place the cursor. If you want speed, type a search term in the panel to filter results, otherwise browse categories. Click or tap an emoji to place it directly into Roblox chat or a text box. Once placed, it will send like normal text. If Roblox strips formatting, copy the emoji to your clipboard and paste it. Also try Shift or Alt variations for special chars, because some laptops map keys differently, and that fixes missing symbols. Finish by sending your message and confirming the emoji appears as intended to other players, since rendering depends on platform. If you see an empty box or question mark, that means Roblox or the recipient lacks that emoji glyph. Switch to a supported emoji, use a Roblox emote, or paste an image instead. Once done, make sure to clear cache and update the Roblox client, and if problems persist, try the web version of Roblox, because it may use different font rendering and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.